Today, I have a little luxury haul. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kura, and I believe that when you look good, you feel good. So on this channel, I show you how to take luxury and affordable fashion and use them as tools to help you feel and look your best. Okay, so since before my birthday, you guys, I've been telling you that I was gonna get a luxury purse and I was gonna do a video about it, and it has taken so long. But instead of me yapping your ear off, let's just get to the purse. I have two purses that I want to show you. One's contemporary, one is luxury, and then a little extra surprise. So I decided to get the mini Antigona. What was so funny is that not very many people guessed that I would get this. A lot of people really guessed that I was going to get the Fendi baguette, which, if I'm being honest, was my favorite. But this was such a good price that I couldn't pass up. The Fendi baguette is still on my list. It will always be there, hopefully. But as you see, I got this from Fashionphile, and I just found it at a good price, and like I said, I couldn't pass it up. So I wasn't even particularly looking for the mini. Initially, I wanted the small, but going and seeing the small really made me feel like it might be still too big for my lifestyle right now. When I was going back and forth, to an office, it made more sense to have a bigger bag. But right now, that's not really happening. So this small little mini bag, the perfect little purse to have with me now. As you can see, I have not taken off the tag yet, just because I'm the kind of person that doesn't take off the tags until I actually wear it. I have not worn this yet. In fact, you guys, I have clothes that I have walked out the house with my tag on, and my husband is like, do you know you still have the tag on? Like, I'm the person that doesn't take the tag off as soon as she gets it. I just don't. I want to show you what fits inside and just give you some details about the bag. So as you can see, I did get the crop version. They did have the other versions on Fashionphile for a decent price. This was the best deal though. But I also feel like the crop gives it a little extra zhuzh, which if you're new here, I like a little extra zhuzh, and I'm just so happy I got it. A few things of note about this purse, if you are thinking about getting it, is that it does fit a ton for a little purse, but the opening is very small. The zipper is like butter. Okay, it is very, very smooth. I don't see how anybody can have an issue with the smoothness of this zipper. It's just beautiful. But like I was saying, getting into the purse is a hassle. It doesn't open very much. Honestly, it's going to be a little annoying. But let me just show you what fits inside. So in my purses, I always have my Louis Vuitton cosmetic bag. And when you look at this, you're going to think, yeah, it's way too big to get in here. But it does fit with plenty of room, honestly, left in here. The only problem is the way you have to get it out and get it in is that you have to put it in sideways. So you just kind of turn it and put it in that way. But it definitely fits. There's still much more room in there. So I'm also going to put my clay in there, my Louis Vuitton clay. We're going to put my YSL card holder in here. We're going to put my phone. And we're going to put, I just picked up any sunglasses case. This is the Max Mars sunglasses. You guys have seen these, right? These I got from Saks Off Fifth. But anyway, I just picked up any pair that was closest to me, and we're going to put this sunglass case in this bag. And this is a sizable case. And I don't know if you can see, I know it's hard to see because the opening is so small, but I still have space in here. So I'm going to start putting random stuff in there. Now, I more than likely would not bring like a full bottle of, what is this? This is Oud Satin Mood from MFK, but I just wanted to show you that it does fit. And just because it's close, I'm going to put the Baccarat Rouge in here too. I'm just going to take a little brush, why not? They'll have tons of space in here. How could I forget? My lotion, my hand lotion, my Chanel lotion. And okay, I'm just going to zip this up and show you how much actually fits in here. And it actually closes just fine. Like, it fit way more than I needed. So it literally fit everything that you can see here, and honestly, it could fit more. I just didn't have everything else left to put in there, and I would never travel with two full bottles of perfume. I also wanted to point out that in the inside of the bag, there is one pocket. Oh, I actually forgot there was something in here. On the inside of the bag is one pocket, and this is where I keep my little purse hook. This little purse, guys, I'm really shocked that it carries so much. I'm actually very satisfied with this size and realize that I really don't need the small. There is one thing that I did want to point out is that, and I knew this before I actually bought the bag because I watched reviews, so I'm going to be careful about this. The way that the strap connects to the bag is by this little bitty tiny, I don't know if you can see it, this little hole here, this little slit, if you see that slit there, and it connects to a little slit on the bag, right? And unfortunately, sometimes it lines up perfectly and it just comes out easily. If you could see that, I'm putting it in and taking it out very, very easily. Just right now, actually, when I was setting up for this video, I had it on and it just slipped right out. So that actually is really annoying because I would like to use it as a crossbody, but having it falling off of me is just, the idea of it falling off of me while I'm walking terrifies me, and I really don't want that. So I'm more than likely, oh my, everything changed, huh? Sorry guys, like a cloud came and my whole lighting is different. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm probably gonna hold it as a top handle, which I do most of the time with my bags anyway. And I really don't mind holding it like that because I'm not gonna be putting that much in it. It does feel like it could get heavy, but I'm very cognizant of that. But anyway guys, this is what I got. I just wanted to show you, I did want the Fendi, but I couldn't pass up this deal. This was a really good deal. I love Fashionphile, guys. I don't know if a lot of you guys shop on Fashionphile, but I would really look into it. They have some great things. I have a few things in my cart, if I'm being completely honest. I recently actually just got the Bottega Hobo. So excited for it to come. You guys, I told you in my trend video a while back, I think it was the spring summer trend video, that big bags are going to be in. So I actually got a pre-loved hobo bag. So excited about that. Hobo bags are so back, just to let you know. Alright, so that is the designer bag that I got. I also wanted to show you a different option. If you're like, yes sis, that bag is beautiful, but like that's a lot of money, don't worry, I got you. So this bag is from an Italian brand, and I hope I'm pronouncing this right, but it's Coccinelle. Was that Italian enough? I don't know. But it's Coccinelle. It is Italian leather and much more affordable than the Givenchy. Now, this is bigger. However, this style of bag on their website comes in a mini version and a large version. They have no idea who I am, guys. I just been looking at this brand for a while and I wanted to try them out because I like to try things out to let you guys know. But they have a smaller version and a bigger version. I went for the middle, and I went for this beautiful mauve pink color because I have enough black bags. But if you want a small black bag that is reminiscent of the Antigona, this is such a good option. Now, it doesn't have two handles, but it does have a nice it does have a top handle, and it also has a similar shape. The color of this bag is to die for. Not to mention, gonna be on trend for fall. I cannot wait to do my fall trend video, you guys. This is the one of the colors amongst some other like really bright, bold, saturated colors. But this one, this kind of blush pink, is just gonna be amazing. Anyway, I actually got this color also on sale. This was like a steal. Let me show you how big it is inside, just in case you are interested. It's a beautiful bag. It does open like this. It has this little doohickey here, this little latch here that you open. But I'm just going to show you very quickly what fits in, because it's a lot. that it's bulging a little bit. I overpacked it, but there's so much that fits in here, and there's no way that I would need this. Again, they do have a smaller size. This is the medium. A smaller size would also be extremely cute. And the last thing that I wanted to show you was a complete surprise. If you watch my birthday trip video to Cabo, you know that I have the best husband in the world. He got me something from Hermes. Now, I was not expecting this. I already got my Antigona. We were already on vacation, and I thought that that was good. I wasn't expecting this at all. But because he's awesome and he knows me, he got me the perfect gift. And yes, I still keep it in the box because, I don't know, this is my first piece from Hermes and I'm ecstatic. Anyway, he got me the click-clack bracelet in black. And you guys, this is the exact bracelet that I would have picked. I was going to buy it on my own. I would not have gotten the bigger one just because my wrist is kind of small. I would not have started off with the color just because I want to wear it every day. Now the colors, the colors that I want, the white, the orange, all of them that I eventually want are on my list, but I would have started with black, so he got this just perfectly. You guys, this is like the perfect addition to my stack. I have not gone one day since my birthday when I did not wear this. It's just a little bit of luxury, and it's like, if you know, you know. If you know what I mean, if you don't know, it's not a big thing, but if you know, you know. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I was just so shocked, so surprised, and so, I don't know, blessed, right? Just so blessed. Now, when I get my next one, which is a ways off, I know I'm not looking to buy one anytime soon, but I'm wondering if I should get a bright color or like get white, another neutral color. I'm leaning, I don't know what I'm leaning towards actually, I don't know, but I'm just so happy to have this. I was just happy. Well guys, the sun has come back out after I finished recording the whole video. I'm so sorry about the light. It's been up and down and back and forth. That was my small haul. I wouldn't say little. It was only 2 or 3 things, right? You guys, again, the Antigona is beautiful. If you think that's too much and it's just not in your budget right now, I completely understand. Go check out Coccinelle. Like I said, they don't know who I am. I just think it's important to know that luxury doesn't have to be thousands of dollars. I also kind of like that the Coccinelle doesn't have a lot of logos. So people go like, oh, that's a pretty purse, but they don't know like where it's from. Do you know what I mean? Just thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I will see you in my next video.